welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, my name is Tanya and I film all kinds of pink, girly, fashion, beauty, and lifestyle videos on this channel. So if that's something you're into, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on bell notifications so you don't miss any of my videos. In today's video, I'm doing a video you guys just love to see, and it is me doing some pampering, because you guys always see me get all these beauty products and body products, and I know you guys love to see how I use them and just pampering. So I wanted to do a very Christmassy, wintry, holiday style kind of a pamper with me video. This is kind of like the routine I would do either whenever I am just having a chill Sunday or right before I have a really big event. This is kind of like what I like to do. So first, I'm going to show you guys some body care products that I just got that I'm going to be using throughout this video. So this is going to be like a little haul, and then we're going to get into the pampering part. First, I want to show you guys already saw this in my Christmas gift guide, but I did pick up some Soap and Glory goodies at my local Walgreens because they had all of their holiday sets pretty much clearanced out, and then buy one get one 50% off. So I got a really good deal. I also ended up buying some for gifts, which it's awesome because Soap and Glory is just, they have just such good products and everything smells so good. There are some of the products, and this one, I already opened one of these. Hold on, let me show you first. Tripping over my words here. But this is what one of the little gift sets looks like. It comes with the little makeup baggie and all of these goodies. I already went ahead and opened mine, and I just threw all of it together in here. And I separated the things that came doubled, and I'm just going to be giving those away as gifts to friends and family. So I only kept the things that were not doubled because I really did want the makeup wipes, because I use these makeup wipes anyway, so it's nice to have like a little backup. It also came with these awesome masks I'm going to be trying out. It has some face masks, some eye masks. It came with this scrub of your life, and this stuff smells so good. Okay, it also came with the Righteous Body Butter, which is a lotion, and it came with this Clean On Me Creamy Moisture Shower Gel. So that's everything that I got from Soap and Glory. Next, I'm going to show you guys some Lush Goodies. Lush was actually kind enough to send me some of their holiday goodies. Gosh, it's so dreamy and pretty, and there's so many goodies in here that I can't wait to try out. I've been waiting to do this video just to try these goodies. So yes. So first of all, they sent me their Snow Fairy body wash. This is a favorite that I actually purchase every single year because I love it so much. And I might actually get the giant bottle before the holidays are over because it's just one of my favorite body washes. And I know I have a million body products, but I love having my options. But next, they sent this adorable product. I'm not even sure how to use this. I've never seen anything like this before. It says Santa's Belly, and it looks like a jelly type of product, and it smells so good. It smells like holidays. It smells like berries, and yeah, that's what it looks like. And it just jiggles in there, and it has a little belt. It literally looks like Santa's belly, and it has gold glitters all in it. Then they sent me their Once Upon a Time body lotion. So it looks like this. Very Grinchy. I have actually already been using, because I couldn't help myself, I've always wanted to try this. This is their cookie dough shower scrub, and this stuff is amazing. This has to be one of my favorites. I'm already halfway through it, and I'm sad because it's so good. Sent me their Snow Fairy bath bomb. This smells just like all the other Snow Fairy products, and I'm not even sure how this works. I'm gonna have to look it up, but it has this little star, and it just like, it's like a little lid, and it has like, I don't know.
Yeah, it's stuff in.
I don't know, it's like there's stuff in it, but we'll see. Also sent me this 2-piece Santa bath bomb that looks like this, and I'm so excited for this one too. It's such a huge bath bomb. It's actually heavy too, and this one smells, it smells like Lush, like Lush just has like its distinct scent. I don't know how to explain it. Like, it just, everything smells so nice and just like sweet. That's everything for the Lush stuff. Let's go ahead and get into the pampering part of this video. As you know, with all my pampering routines, I always start off by lighting my favorite candle at the moment. Right now it is Spiced Gingerbread from Bath & Body Works. I always like to start off by starting up my tub, and in the meantime I like to do a few other things like prepare some goodies to have in my bath, and I found these cute little cookies and they look so good, so I had to get them. I also always prepare myself a drink. Right now I'm just going to be making a peppermint mocha from Starbucks. I found these K-Cups and their peppermint mocha is such a good drink from Starbucks. However, I wanted to try these K-Cups at home. This actually turned out to be pretty good. I would just recommend you add oat milk with it. It tastes a lot better. While my tub is filling, I like to go in and do my skincare. I am just cleansing my face with my Curology cleanser and my Clear Sonic. And then I'm just rinsing all of that off. And I'm going to be applying this Soap & Glory Moisture Mask. This felt so good, you guys. It was so hydrating and it was really gooey, but in a good way. It comes in these two pieces, which makes it a lot easier to apply. And then I just left that on while the tub finished filling up. Afterwards, I went ahead and applied my Curology treatment, and then I applied this Watermelon Overnight Mask by Glow Recipe. For my bath bomb, I decided it would only be festive to use the Santa bath bomb, so I went ahead and put that in the tub. While I'm in the tub, sometimes I like to watch my favorite TV shows or YouTubers, or I just like to simply relax and just clear my head. Of course, I also like to enjoy my little snacks I prepared earlier, and Manny usually likes to bring me snacks or drinks, and he's just so sweet. After I play some music, I just like to get down to business and just take care of myself and pamper myself. I always like to do a body scrub of any kind. This one has been my favorite lately. It has coconut oil in it and it smells amazing. This is from Pink from Victoria's Secret. And I just really like to focus on myself at this time and just making sure that I am just taking care of myself, loving myself, and, you know, giving my skin that extra TLC. When I get new bath goodies, I always go a little bit product happy and I just want to try everything. So I went ahead and decided to use this Santa Belly jelly from Lush as well. And this stuff smells like Christmas in a little cup, literally. It smells so good. So I just tore some of that off and used it as a body wash with my loofah, and this made my skin feel really soft, so I really enjoyed it. So this has to be my favorite part about our bathtub, is that it has this little hose thing you can use like a shower, and I just went ahead and shampooed my hair to prepare it for some deep treatment. I've been using this Olaplex treatment and it's been working really well to help breakage, so I just try to focus that on the ends of my hair, and then I use a wide tooth comb to comb the mask all throughout my hair. And then I just like to let it sit for a little bit, and then I go in and used the Snow Fairy body wash as well, because why not? I was just product happy, okay? So I did that to do one final rinse through, and then I rinsed my entire body without getting back in the bathtub. And yes, I smelled really, really good after this. I went ahead and rinsed off the Olaplex mask. At this point, I like to change into something really comfy yet still a little sexy so I can feel girly. And then I do my laser hair treatment, which is just using IPL technology. I do have a whole video about this if you guys are interested. And right afterwards, I like to moisturize my skin. I'm just using the Lush body cream that I got, and then I'm just combing through my hair and applying my Morocco oil, which I use every day on the ends of my hair, again to help any breakage. Then I went ahead and decided to do my nails, and I usually love doing this while I watch a girly movie or a chick flick, and usually that's Mean Girls, but the one on the screen right now is called Sleepover. Guys, that's everything for my pampering video for the holidays. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's definitely different for me to do a pampering video during the holidays, but I feel like maybe this should turn into like an annual kind of like a tradition for me, because I really enjoy pampering and stuff like that, and I know you guys love watching these, so let me know down below if you guys want me to turn this into an annual video. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. If you stayed until the end, leave me this emoji right here in the comment section. It will probably be something that has to do with pampering, of course. Love you guys. I will see you on the next video. Mwah. Bye.